Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about our starter kits that we offer here at Christie's RV. Starting with our standard starter kit, we've got our freshwater section, which includes a hose elbow for your freshwater hose connection. That's going to help avoid any kinking at the connection. Next to it, you've got your water pressure regulator, which will help regulate the water pressure coming into your RV, saving any damage to your water system within. And then as well, a food grade freshwater drinking hose. This is a hose meant for use for drinking water into your RV. Moving next to our sanitation section of the starter kit, we've got our RV specific toilet paper. This is toilet paper made to break down easier in your septic system that's very sensitive within the trailer. As well, we've got our Pack Boss, which are little packets used to help break down any waste within the holding tank, and then as well as deodorize to avoid any smells coming up. And then our 45-degree hose connection, which is used to help dump your waste out of your trailer, and it's clear to help tell when you are done dumping anything out of the trailer. Next up, we have our electrical section of the kit, which will include a 25-foot extension cord, which you'll find comes in handy at parks where the power connection is longer than the cord that you have within your trailer. As well, you've got your dog bone connection, we call it, which will bring you down from 30 amps that your trailer runs on, down to 15 amps, similar to a household plug-in, which you'll find at some of the older parks use. Next up, we've got our wheel chocks. Go underneath your wheels to help stabilize the trailer as well as keep it in place. And then right behind it is our awning mats, which is a nice thing to put underneath your awning, keep it nice, clean, and homey, and enjoy the sunny weather. Moving up from our standard starter kit, we have our premium starter kit. We'll find a few upgrades, including a new freshwater drinking hose, still 25 feet, however it is 5/8 thickness for added durability. As well, you're going to get a vent cover for your premium starter kit. This will help keep your vent open within rainy weather to keep fresh air circulating. An added bonus, you will get block from sun damage and damage from the cold weather in the winter. And last but not least, a 25-gallon tote tank or honey wagon. This allows you to dump your waste faster and easier rather than bringing your whole RV to the dump site and packing it up. You dump your waste directly into this, tow behind your vehicle, and you're done in no time. And these are the two starter kits we offer here at Christie's RV, available for purchase as well as add-on to your brand new trailer deal.